Hi all, welcome back to my channel, The Dent Life. So this is a part 11. So this is something new for you all friends. Is it right? Yes, I am introducing something new, that is how to memorize the cranial nerves. So it's very difficult. Actually, most of them must have faced this difficulty to memorize the cranial nerves in its order, which all branches do they give out, and to what all body parts do they supply? Isn't it, friends? So, I have learned certain shortcuts as such to memorize all those cranial nerves. It has really helped me a lot. And one of my friend has suggested to upload this video, as my tips and tricks have also helped her in many ways to remember all these cranial nerves till now. So I thought, why not to share with you all friends. As you all are preparing for different dental prometric examinations, these are really the most important topics you will face in your exam papers. So let's begin with our today's session. So be ready with your writing stuff, because you can note down all the tips and tricks to memorize the cranial nerves. So let's begin with our today's session. But before starting with today's session, I would remind to all those people who haven't subscribed my channel yet to please do subscribe it, because I have lots of complaints that we are not updated with the new latest videos. It's just because you are not subscribing the channel. So please do subscribe it, so that you will be notified as I upload my videos. I will be uploading more such tips and tricks to memorize some important points. And also, please watch the video from the beginning till the end, so that you don't miss any important points. Okay, so let's begin. Okay, so yes, let's begin. As you all know, there are 12 pairs of the cranial nerves, right? Which is numbered as 1 to 12. So I have certain tips that I memorize as triple O, P T A, F V, G V S H. So as you can see here, I have sectioned it into 4 different groups. The entire cranial nerves, the 12 pairs of the cranial nerves, I have completely sectioned into the 4 different groups, so that it will be very simple for you to memorize. So let's see what is the triple O stands for. It's olfactory, optic, oculomotor. PTA stands for pathetic, trigeminal, abducens. Trigeminal nerve, it gives out 3 important branches. We will discuss it later. The FV stands for facial, vestibulocochlear, whereas the GVSH stands for the glossopharyngeal, vagus, sensory, and the hypoglossal nerve. Is it very clear, friends? You will find it very simple to memorize all these cranial nerves if you do practice this in this way. So now let's move on to what are the 3 important branches of the trigeminal nerve. So here it is. These are V1, V2, V3. It's actually very simple to memorize. That is the ophthalmic division, the maxillary division, and the mandibular division. Okay. Now, even these 3 branches, it gives out the sub branches as well. So let's see how to memorize these. So let's come on. I hope it's clear to you. Is it clear? Okay. This first one is the ophthalmic division, that is the V1. So these are the supraorbital, supratrochlear, palpebral branch of the lacrimal nerve, infratrochlear, external nasal branch of anterior ethmoidal nerve. So what I have done is, I have created this shortcut, as you can see, that is supra-OT, pain, X. Okay. that is supraorbital pain X. Now what is supraorbital stands for? It's nothing but the supraorbital and the supratrochlear. Now what does pain stands for? It's the palpebral branch of lacrimal nerve and the infratrochlear. What does X stands for? It's the external nasal branch of anterior ethmoidal nerve. So is it simple? Moving on to the next is the maxillary division, which is V2. It gives out the subdivisions, that is the infraorbital, zygomaticofacial, zygomaticotemporal. Now I have memorized in this way, that is in xi square. Maxillary division in xi square. What does in stands for? It's infraorbital. And what is xi square mean? That is zygomaticofacial and zygomaticotemporal. Moving on to the mandibular division, which is otherwise the V3 nerve. I have memorized its branches as MBA. Mandibular division has studied MBA. In this way, I memorize it. What does M stands for? Mental, B stands for buccal, and A stands for the auriculotemporal nerve. So ophthalmic division is the supraorbital pain X. Maxillary division is in xi square. Mandibular division is MBA. So is it very clear to you, friends? So this is a pictorial representation of the trigeminal nerve. As you can see, we have already learned about the subdivisions of the ophthalmic nerve, the maxillary nerve and the mandibular nerve, that is V1, V2 and V3. So the area which I have colored with the green color is supplied by the ophthalmic nerve. The area which I have colored with the blue color pencil, it is supplied by the maxillary nerve, and the one which is colored with a red color pencil, it is supplied by the mandibular nerve. So in this way you can easily memorize which all nerves supplies which area. So thank you friends for watching this video. So here comes the end of today's session. The detailed description of the facial nerve along with the tips and tricks to memorize them, I will be uploading in my upcoming videos. So do subscribe my channel so that you will be notified for such videos. If you have enjoyed watching my video, don't forget to like, share and comment, which is just below this video. I will be coming with such more important question answer sessions along with the tips and tricks to memorize the important points as well. Till then, take care. Bye.